So today, the government did a test run on your phone, an emergency alert, and it started off with your pocket vibrating, quite seriously vibrating heavily, and you grab your phone, and I was looking around, and everyone's pockets was like, it looked like there was an animal inside your pocket, and you grab your phone, and people understandably very serious and were looking around for a tsunami or a cataclysmic event going on. And although I did notice some people just carried on just buying bananas, so they didn't seem that worried, or maybe they didn't have a phone. Cheers.